Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. DJI's Mavic Mini drone has been upgraded to this, the Mini 2. The Mini 2 retains the same smaller physical dimensions, including the same weight of 249 grams, which allows it to be flown without it being registered with the FAA. But several of its internal components have been improved. For example, it now comes with DJI's OcuSync 2 wireless connectivity for up to 2.5 times the wireless range and more stable connection. It's using the same controller as the new Mavic Air 2, however it does not have the advanced obstacle avoidance and tracking features since it has fewer sensors. Video has received some nice upgrades too. The Mini 2 bumps up the resolution to up to 4K at 30 frames per second at 100 megabits per second bitrate. This is up from the original Mini's 2.7K 30 frames per second at 40 megabits per second. You can also now take RAW photos instead of just JPEG, and it does auto exposure bracketing, which means the drone can take several shots simultaneously at different exposures to give you the best dynamic range. That said, the drone is still using a 1/2.3 inch sensor, which means performance in low light will not be on the same level as the Mavic Pro 2 with its 1-inch sensor, or even the new Mavic Air 2 with its 1/2-inch sensor. The flight motors have also been upgraded for faster acceleration and a new top speed of 35.8 miles per hour or 57.6 kilometers per hour, up from 29 miles per hour or 46.6 kilometers per hour. You get 1 minute more stated battery life, so 31 minutes instead of 30, though in reality these numbers will be lower. And it should be better at handling gusts of wind as well. Now, all of these new features have impacted the price, $449 US, which is $50 higher than the previous model. If you do decide to buy one, I would recommend the Fly More combo. It does cost significantly more at $599 US, but it comes with 3 batteries, a charging hub and carrying case, and those 3 batteries will make you much less stressed when flying, knowing that you have reserve power. It'll be interesting to see how loud the drone gets. Typically, the smaller the propellers, the louder the drone. So for example, the Mavic Pro 2 is quieter than the Mavic Air, though I haven't heard the Mavic Air 2 yet. But that is something to keep in mind if you plan to fly the drone in areas where other people may be around. As for which drone to get right now, it's hard to say. It all depends on how deep your wallet goes and how interested you are in flying the drone often. If you just need the occasional clip for your videos or to share with friends or family, the Mini 2 should be more than good enough. However, if you plan to do more elaborate stuff and get closer to objects, do more tracking and need more flying time, then you may want to spend a bit more and get the Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Pro 2 is an incredible piece of tech, but at this stage it's getting a bit long in the tooth, and I would expect DJI to be upgrading it not too long in the future, so I would hold off until hopefully a new model comes out. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.